Welcome to our first ever Christmas Dinner High Five episode. We're gonna cook this. Ooh! Alright, first up is we are going to take this roast and tie some little strings around it. We've got the JoeTisserie set up now.
That looks like a big old slab of ribeyes. Is that what it is?
It is, yeah. You can just start cutting them right here.
Let's just do that and skip this whole thing.
But no, it's just
Regular?
It's just straight up twine.
Sort of fancy, trying to keep, one piece of string for the whole thing.
Boink. What are we doing now?
We are going to get this thing seasoned up. And I got some of this stuff out of my garden, lemony thyme, and this rosemary.
I can smell it from here.
Just a mixture of salt, pepper, and garlic. So it's going to be pretty standard seasonings. Should be amazing.
Is that Herbs de Provence? Which is French for herbs in a bottle. This smells like Christmas.
Yeah, man.
Nothing goes better with steak than mustard.
All right, so I got a little spice mixture here. Just salt, pepper, and garlic. And just season this thing super liberal.
Why I gotta be liberal, Bernie Sanders?
So there's the salt and the pepper. Oh! And here's the herbs de Provence. It's like Texas Day Brazil. Here we go. Look, it's on.
We do a lot of meat spins on this show.
We do.
Because they say if you're spinning, you're winning. By they, I mean we, starting right now. That's what we say. If you're spinning, you're winning.
spinning, winning.
That's right.
Hashtag winning, spinning. Put some salt in some water?
Yeah, because we're gonna make horseradish mashed potatoes.
Ooh.
Normally, with primerib, you'd have like a horseradish sauce, but we're not doing that. We're gonna put the horseradish in the mashed potatoes, and it's gonna be red potatoes right here, and some salted boiling water.
Okay.
It's gonna be a Christmas miracle if I only burn myself 3 times while dropping these potatoes in. Hi-ya! Doink! Ow! It's like the corn baller over here. We just take our really, really expensive knife from Japan, and we just stir those around.
That's good. Scraping on metal too, that's good. Yeah. All right, looks like the potatoes are done, right?
We're gonna just do a little super smash. I don't know, half a stick of butter. Lop. Heavy cream.
Okay. How many glugs would you say that is?
That's about a glug. Some kosher salt. Just gonna eyeball that.
Oh wait, didn't we roast some garlic too?
We did. We did roast some garlic.
Oh yeah.
Look at that right there.
Smash.
Super smash. And our buddy.
Oh yeah. Reese is all. You know, I think between Dukes and Reese.
Yeah. We're gonna get that sponsorship one day.
Hit us up, Reese. Dinnerhighfive.com.
We love your product. We're gonna get that heaping spoonful.
Oh man, I want it to burn my nose. Boink.
And a lot. Because you want to see it, right?
Well, the weather outside is frightful.
Actually, it feels pretty good outside.
Yeah, it does.
How steamy that is.
What's up?
That's it. Here we go.
Uh-oh.
Whee! Look at them drippings. That's gonna be part of our steak sauce. When that thing comes back around, you know I'm gonna get that extra coal. It's like you're waiting for your kids to come around the other side of the Ferris wheel to wave at them. There they are! Hi! Yay! Ooh! Let's see what we got. Oh. Dude. Dude.
Amazing.
Oh. So, let's be honest. Most steak sauces, without naming any brands, are pretty gross.
They're good for fry dipping.
They are good for fry dipping, you nasty. We're actually gonna make a really good steak sauce to go with this prime rib. we're gonna take the drippings from our prime rib.
Okay.
Oh
Throw
man,
that in there.
oh, I see you got the
Magic ingredients over here.
Yeah. Well, I was
Yeah.
gonna get to that, but since you jumped ahead, we're gonna have onions and some of the roasted garlic that we already used for our mashed potatoes, and a couple of anchovies.
Okay.
This thing's gonna be toy.
Cheers. Doink.
Let's put our onions in.
Oh man, them anchovies are delicious.
Yum yum.
Ain't nothing but some fried fish.
Right. We don't need a whole lot. Smash that in. A little bit of white wine.
What are you, French cooking?
That's right. This is better than bouillon.
Yeah, it is better
All
than
right.
bouillon, for sure.
It is super good. A lot of like savory flavor. You don't need a whole lot. We're just gonna do like that. Pop it in, let it melt down.
Anyways,
Yeah.
I'd say we're good. Let's go ahead and move it to the food processor.
All right.
Okay.
Blendy, blendy. See that little right there?
Yeah.
It's almost like when you have a curry paste.
Oh, I was gonna say a bean burrito.
We're gonna hit it with this balsamic vinegar quite a bit because we want it to be really, really tangy, and that is going to go very, very slow.
Get you a waft. Uh-oh, he's doing the dance. He's doing the dance. Oh! 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 Who's a dad? Who's a dad?
Oh, is it time?
Yeah, man.
It's all Christmassy. It's green and red and steak.
That's good.
You'll save them strings to suck on later?
Kinda.
All right, this is the moment. Dude,
Nice. Yeah, man.
oh my goodness.
Let's get some thick slices because we're thick boys.
Speak for yourself. Oh,
Look how
man.
juicy that is.
Yeah.
One of these right here. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready for it.
It's out.
Now that's fancy. Oh, string attached.
Whoops.
Horseradish mashed potatoes.
So here we are. We got our prime rib roast completed. It smells amazing. We did have a little sample taste. It tastes amazing. Jared's topping it off with a little bit of this extra sauce.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. Salt, pepper, garlic, thyme, rosemary. Super simple. Put it on the rotisserie. It probably took about 2 hours, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
And got it up to about 121 before I pulled it, and then let it rest for probably about 15 minutes.
And the horseradish mashed potatoes were just potatoes, roasted garlic, horseradish sauce, heavy cream and butter, salt and pepper. That's it. The little sauce we put on top of the steak sauce is reduced onion. It is a couple anchovies, balsamic vinegar, and better than bouillon and roasted garlic. Is that what it is? Okay.
And some butter.
And some butter at the
And
very
some white
end.
wine.
And some white wine.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff.
There's a lot, but
Just
you know
watch
what?
the episode.
Yeah, so let's just eat it.
Right?
Yep.
Those horseradish mashed potatoes, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
Bruh,
This is Christmas.
gotta make this.
Gotta make it.
Make it Christmas. Get it.
Is this what we're having for Christmas dinner?
What?
So is this what we're having for Christmas dinner?
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
All right. All right, here we go.